Welcome to Instacart's Insights portal, a tool with an ads manager that allows you to access category and customer insights. In this video, you'll learn how to build, save, and export your very own report. Let's get started. In the top left corner, you will see the date range selector where you can choose to view your data at the monthly, weekly, or daily level. The portal is updated on a daily basis and contains data from the past 2 years. Here, you can select your desired start and end dates from the drop-downs. If you're viewing data at a daily level, manually input your desired start and end dates. Note that with daily breakdowns, you can only select a maximum window of 14 days, and the end date cannot be within the last 72 hours. Once you have a date range selected, you can continue to organize your data using the Edit Breakdowns button. Here, you can break down your data by reporting level, category, channel, and region. Now that you have selected how to view your data, click Edit Metrics to pick which metrics you want to measure. Note that in order to view market share, you must have picked a category in the previous Edit Breakdown selection. If you only want to look at a specific set of results, for example, only the sales for a specific UPC, region, or category, you can also use Add Filters. To add a filter, start by clicking Add Filter and picking which breakdown you want to narrow your data down by. You can layer on multiple filters as long as they are not within the same breakdown topic. Once you've built a report, you can also save and export this data. To save the selections on your screen, click the Save Report button, name the report, and click Save. Now, you can return to this data view at any time in the portal by simply clicking the Save Reports tab. You can also download these reports by clicking the Export button in the top right corner. Processing your export may take some time, so keep Ads Manager open until your report is downloaded. Now you know how to build, save, and export your very own report. Thanks so much for tuning in.